Beneath the Atlantic lay humanity's most ambitious underwater engineering challenge ever imagined.
Scientists carefully surveyed the Atlantic before construction could safely begin beneath its waters. Advanced sonar systems revealed every hidden detail beneath the Atlantic Ocean floor perfectly.
Robotic explorers examined ancient seabed rock before excavation officially began beneath the Atlantic.
Engineers finalized the safest underwater route using precise geological and satellite mapping together.
Ocean weather conditions determined every future construction operation across the Atlantic safely.
The floating construction headquarters became the heart of this extraordinary engineering mission together.
Gigantic marine construction vessels assembled before the world's greatest tunnel project officially started.
Precision navigation aligned every construction vessel along the planned underwater tunnel route perfectly. Powerful dredgers began carving the Atlantic seabed for history's longest underwater tunnel together.
Massive dredgers deepened the seabed trench for the tunnel's permanent foundation below. Powerful drilling systems penetrated ancient seabed rock beneath the Atlantic with remarkable precision.
Engineers prepared controlled underwater blasting for difficult seabed excavation operations safely.
Carefully controlled explosions expanded the tunnel trench without disturbing the surrounding marine ecosystem.
Specialized dredging vessels cleared fractured rock, creating a perfectly prepared tunnel trench foundation.
The autonomous underwater machines leveled the foundation with extraordinary engineering accuracy beneath the Atlantic. Engineered gravel created a stable base supporting each enormous tunnel segment permanently. The trench foundation is stable. All systems go. We have approval to begin production.
Gigantic tunnel segments entered production using advanced engineering and precision manufacturing systems together.
The final checks are complete. Initiate movement to the dock. Acknowledged. Engaging transporters. Watch the clearance on the coatings.
Thousands of steel bars created the tunnel's incredibly strong structural framework for decades.
Ultra-high performance concrete permanently formed the tunnel's enormous underwater structural shell with exceptional durability.
Controlled curing transformed fresh concrete into an incredibly durable underwater tunnel structure. Advanced waterproof protection ensured complete safety beneath enormous Atlantic water pressure forever together. Every tunnel segment passed rigorous structural testing before leaving the manufacturing facility safely. The floating dry dock prepared for transporting history's largest tunnel segment across oceans.
The completed tunnel section was secured for its historic Atlantic Ocean transportation mission. Powerful tugboats slowly guided the massive tunnel segment across the Atlantic with precision. Satellite navigation positioned the tunnel segment with astonishing underwater engineering precision.
Every engineering team prepared carefully before lowering the first tunnel section beneath the Atlantic. The first massive tunnel segment slowly descended beneath the Atlantic with extraordinary engineering precision. Powerful lifting systems guided the tunnel safely toward the prepared ocean floor below. Laser guidance ensured millimeter-perfect alignment before the tunnel touched its underwater foundation below. The tunnel gently settled onto its engineered gravel foundation beneath the Atlantic, safely.
Hydraulic positioning systems completed the tunnel's final alignment with astonishing engineering precision together.
Another enormous tunnel section arrived to continue the historic underwater engineering achievement seamlessly together.
Engineers carefully connected both tunnel segments beneath the Atlantic using hydraulic precision systems. Advanced sealing systems permanently protected the tunnel against immense Atlantic Ocean pressure continuously. Steel locking systems permanently secured every underwater tunnel connection for future generations safely. The world's longest underwater tunnel officially began taking shape beneath the Atlantic Ocean together. The construction accelerated as another massive tunnel segment descended toward the prepared Atlantic seabed carefully. One tunnel segment after another steadily extended the world's greatest underwater engineering masterpiece together. Hydraulic systems joined another tunnel section with astonishing millimeter-level underwater engineering precision successfully. Engineered rock armor permanently protected the completed tunnel from powerful underwater environmental forces together.
Advanced underwater robots inspected every completed tunnel section before construction continued even further.
Multiple construction teams worked simultaneously to accelerate progress beneath the vast Atlantic Ocean together.
The underwater tunnel stretched farther beneath the Atlantic, with every completed engineering milestone achieved. Both construction fronts finally met beneath the Atlantic in a historic engineering achievement together. Engineers confirmed the completed tunnel alignment exceeded every structural accuracy requirement successfully together. Protective engineering systems completed the tunnel's permanent defense beneath the Atlantic Ocean forever together. Engineers strengthened the tunnel interior to withstand generations of continuous heavy transportation safely together. Advanced waterproof systems guaranteed permanent protection beneath immense Atlantic Ocean pressure continuously.
Essential utility systems transformed the tunnel into a fully functional transportation corridor, permanently together.
Power systems energized the world's longest underwater tunnel with remarkable engineering reliability throughout. Gigantic ventilation systems guaranteed fresh air throughout the tunnel every single day, safely. Emergency escape systems ensured complete passenger safety throughout the underwater tunnel at all times.
Automated paving systems built a perfectly smooth roadway inside the completed underwater tunnel together.
The final asphalt surface created an exceptionally smooth driving experience beneath the Atlantic. The high-speed railway infrastructure completed another milestone inside the world's longest underwater transportation tunnel together. Intelligent monitoring systems transformed the tunnel into one of history's smartest transportation corridors together. Advanced fire protection systems ensured maximum safety throughout the completed underwater transportation corridor forever. Powerful drainage systems protected the tunnel from water under every operating condition safely. Every surface was carefully cleaned before opening the tunnel to public transportation officially.
Comprehensive pressure testing confirmed the tunnel could withstand immense Atlantic Ocean forces safely together.
Heavy transport vehicles proved the tunnel's extraordinary structural strength under maximum engineered loads together.
Emergency response teams rehearsed life-saving procedures before the tunnel officially welcomed public travelers together.
Senior engineers approved every critical system before the historic public opening ceremony officially.
The first engineering convoy successfully crossed the completed underwater tunnel without any operational issues.
The passenger vehicles officially entered the world's longest underwater tunnel for the very first time together.
The first high-speed train completed a flawless journey beneath the mighty Atlantic Ocean successfully. Hidden beneath the Atlantic, humanity's greatest underwater engineering masterpiece stretched beyond imagination forever together.
Nature peacefully reclaimed the surrounding seabed, while engineering and marine life thrived together beautifully.
Above the ocean, history quietly celebrated humanity's greatest engineering achievement beneath endless Atlantic waters. Even through the night, the underwater tunnel operated flawlessly beneath the mighty Atlantic Ocean. Tunnel forever transformed transportation, connecting continents through